Hello, this is Richard C. Wilson, founder of the Family Office Club, coming to you from San Francisco here today. We're hosting a live workshop upstairs here in the Hyatt behind me. And I wanted to record a short video on a topic that came up at one of our past workshops in Miami on influence and persuasion and how to be more influential with investors. A lot of it was about how to add more genuine value to a very targeted set of investors in a very consistent way that adds to conviction in what you're doing, adds to your deal flow, adds to your credibility. And we go over a lot of different influence principles and about 90 different slides of ideas during that workshop. But one of the most important points is the idea of being a scarce authority in your area. So it's important to look at the context of your competitors, your industry, what investors want in the marketplace, figure out what unique offering you could put forward, how to describe it in a single sentence. But most importantly on being a scarce authority is that you need to figure out how you can position yourself as the most credible, informed, connected, helpful person to a very well-defined group of people. And if you do that over and over again for 3 to 4 years, 5 to 7 years, you will emerge as the number one thought leader or one of the top thought leaders for that audience. It could be in a distinct geography, such as San Diego or Toronto, or maybe all of Canada on a niche topic, but it needs to be in a very focused area, and it needs to be something you're really dedicated to doing a great job on over the next 5, 10, maybe 20 years going forward, because it takes some time to get momentum on the strategy. I would recommend not taking any action until you've been so thoughtful about it and you know yourself well enough that you're choosing something that you're really going to be able to dedicate yourself to long term. The whole premise here is that if you really dig into a space, learn all about it, interview all the experts in the space, conduct investments in the space, source deals in the space, only look at information and read the magazines and publications and newsletters and listen to the experts at live events in the space. And over time, you're going to grow a lot of expertise. You're going to have superior insights, superior deal flow, higher conviction valuation on assets to acquire if you're an investment firm. You're just going to have a superior offering in the marketplace. And while having that focus, if you can share what you're learning and document your journey and be open and helpful and generous with what you're learning along the way, you'll become an authority in that niche. And the point of a scarce authority is that if you do it long enough and add value along the way to a very consistent group, your authority position will be seen as a scarce resource. Your knowledge and your expertise will be scarce because no one will know of anyone else who has as much expertise and has been as helpful as you in their niche. This is how I've grown the Family Office Club. This is what we're doing with capitalraising.com and increasing our deal flow and getting individuals here to the capital raising workshops. And I encourage you to do the same for your investment practice or if you're raising capital in the marketplace right now. So if you want to learn more about this, please check out our live events at familyoffices.com. Consider becoming a charter member of the Family Office Club. And I hope you got some value from this short video. Take care.